In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor your email campaigns in Zoho CRM. Monitoring your campaigns effectively is crucial to understanding their performance and making necessary adjustments to achieve your marketing goals. So, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open Chrome or whatever browser you prefer and navigate to your Zoho CRM dashboard. This is your home base for accessing all the tools and features Zoho has to offer. Once on your dashboard, look towards the menu bar where you'll see several tabs indicating different sections. Find and click on the Campaigns tab. This tab is your gateway to managing and analyzing all your email marketing endeavors. After clicking the Campaigns tab, you'll be presented with a list of your current and past email campaigns. Scroll through and select the particular email campaign you wish to monitor. Clicking on it will bring up the detailed campaign page. This is where you can see all the vital information related to that specific campaign. Once you're on the campaign page, you need to look for the Reports or Analytics section. These sections are usually prominently displayed as they contain the most critical data about your campaign's performance. Within this section, you'll find key metrics that will give you insights into how your campaign is doing. Some essential metrics to pay attention to are open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. Understanding these numbers can help you assess how well your emails are performing and highlight areas that might need improvement. If you're interested in analyzing specific timeframes or segments of your recipients, Zoho provides filters for this exact purpose. You can adjust these filters to narrow down your data to specific periods or audiences to gain more detailed insights. For instance, you might want to look at how your emails performed over the last month or among a particular demographic. These filters are a powerful tool for fine-tuning your analysis and getting a more nuanced understanding of your campaign's performance. Finally, if you need to share your findings or keep a record of your campaign's performance, Zoho allows you to export this report. Simply click the Export button, usually found within the Reports section. This will generate a downloadable file of your data, which you can then share with team members or analyze further with other tools. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively monitor your email campaigns in Zoho CRM, helping you to improve your marketing strategies and achieve better results. Monitoring and analyzing your campaigns regularly is key to staying ahead and making informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.